we are going to see how to install VLC Media Player on Ubuntu. So VLC is, as we can see it here from Wikipedia, it's a free and open source portable cross platform media player for different operating systems available. So we can install VLC on Linux also. So we will be installing VLC on Ubuntu. So here we are on terminal. So we can type the command apt-get install VLC and enter the password from here. So it will continue to download some libraries also from here, and as we can see it here, some more packages will be installed. So we will enter the Y here. So it will proceed to download and install the VLC media player. It's showing it is going to take around 56 seconds. It's now the speed of the download will anyway be depending on the speed of your internet. So it will should download everything which is required for running the VLC media player on Ubuntu. Yes, it has downloaded everything and it is now proceeding with the installation of VLC media player. After that we will just see from the terminal whether the VLC media player is opening. So it is proceeding with the installation, as we can see it here. So we will see with now it is start setting up the packages, which is almost a final step for installation of the package. Yes, it has now installed the media player VLC. Now we can click on enter the command VLC. It has showing that it has started and asked to accept the policies. Yes, now it has started the VLC media player. So if you have any other video, you can either choose it from here, open file. You can see it here, or open directory, and lot of other options you can explore for this one. So if you have any other videos, say for example we have some videos here, so we can just click on this video and from here you can select. So open with videos will by default open with the default media player of the Ubuntu. So we will click on here open with other application, and as we can see here there is an option for selecting VLC media player and click on select. So it will open the media player VLC. So, so we can close here and just to show it again because it was already available opened. So clicked on VLC media player and select. Yes, I can see it here. The VLC media player started. That's it for now. So thank you for watching. Thank you.